As the 2 o'clock advisory on Hurricane Idalia, winds of 75 miles per hour, moving to the northeast at 20 miles per hour, pressure down to 981 millibar, It's about 100 miles southwest of Savannah, Georgia. So you can see it's picking up steam as it moves off to the east northeast very quickly at 20 miles per hour. As we go into the evening, still maintaining its intensity as a Cat 1 hurricane, and then it moves into the waters of the western Atlantic where it weakens to a tropical storm, and then you can see it heads towards the island of Bermuda. So we are expecting this to move back into the open ocean waters of the Atlantic. Now, in terms of the landfall, it did make landfall earlier this morning in Taylor County there in the Big Bend region of Florida. And here at home, even though it made landfall way far away from us, we saw some pretty strong wind gusts out there. In fact, we saw peak wind gusts of 51 miles per hour in Kissimmee, 48 to Melbourne. Cocoa Beach reached up to 45 miles per hour, Leesburg 43, Ocala at 42. We're under a wind advisory until about 7 o'clock tonight. The tropical storm warnings that were in effect for the Orlando Metro, including Seminole, Orange, Osceola, and Brevard counties have been dropped, and they've been replaced with wind advisories now. So because we're still going to see some pretty blustery wind conditions out of the southwest, about 20 to 30 miles per hour, with gusts up to 40 at times. Right now on our first warning radar, we are tracking some lingering showers associated with Idalia. You can see some light rain right now over Geneva and Chuliota there in Seminole County. Some moderate rain right now setting up towards the Citrus Ridge area, Four Corners area, and out by the theme parks we're getting in some heavy downpours as well. Kissimmee, you are definitely getting in some of that heavy rain and Celebration out towards St. Cloud. Some moderate to heavy rain in those areas, and we're also getting in some pretty heavy downpours near Kenansville and even out towards Brevard County. A couple rumbles of thunder here near Cocoa Beach, Satellite Beach, and in Melbourne. So as we look ahead the next 12 hours, still some lingering rain associated with Idalia before we start to clear things out into the overnight hours. We will have an update for you on Idalia and a look at some sunshine and some slightly drier air that'll be heading our way coming up next time.